Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to change a water filter in an LG refrigerator. Now your water filter is located here, so the first thing you want to do is if your shelf sits kind of high, let's just go ahead and remove it. Now that our shelf is removed, all you want to do is go ahead and drop this down all the way, and that exposes your water filter. And then you will also drop it down completely all the way and just pull it out. Now, if you don't already have a replacement filter, if you will look on your old filter, you'll see your model numbers located there. And you can just take this into your local hardware store and more than likely they can match it up for you. If not, you can also order them online. Now, if you will look on your water filter at the top, it has like these teeth on each side. And if you will look closely to the opening where it goes in, they're on either side. So what you want to do is just line that up and push until you feel it snap. And then you'll just return the water filter back to its position and shut the latch. To reset this flashing water filter indicator, you just want to look down here at the bottom where it says light water filter, and you just want to hold this for 3 seconds. As you can see, the indicator light has turned itself off. Now that we have our new filter in place and we have reset our light, don't forget you want to drain 3 to 5 gallons of water before use. If you enjoyed the video or it was helpful, how about a thumbs up? But if you'd like to see new videos posted weekly, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks once again, guys, for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.